No?
Just looked and I can't see anything.
Okay.
Yeah, she's taking a rest right now. She'll do that every 10 or 15 minutes. And her attendants will circle her and clean her and pick up her pheromone and distribute the pheromone around the hive. And then once she's rested, she goes back to work and starts walking around, going from cell to cell, measuring each cell to determine whether it's a worker cell or a drone cell. If it's a worker cell, she'll back in and lay a fertilized egg. If it's a larger drone cell, she'll back in and she'll lay an egg, but she won't fertilize it. If it's not fertilized, it'll turn into a boy.
How do workers know how many worker and drone cells to make?
That's a good question. That's an instinct.